Hello everyone, I am Ramani and welcome back to my channel. So we have just hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel, so thank you all for that. And today we are going to see how we can make vegetable painting using a potato that's available in everyone's house. So it's really easy to do, but then it's a very fun thing, and you can use vegetable painting in various purposes. Now today I'm going to show you it on a paper, and I'll show you how you can use it to decorate your room, but other than that you can use it in various other purposes. So if you want to know how you can make it, then please keep on watching. I'm using acrylic colors, a knife and a potato. I'm cutting the potato into two halves, one of which we will use to make a flower and the other one we will use to make a leaf. For making a flower, I am dividing the potato into 8 equal halves, for which I am cutting out 4 lines like you can see in the video. These 8 halves will be 8 petals of the flower. Now to give the petals its shape, I am rounding off the edges and cutting off the excess. I am repeating this process with all the sections until we come up with a complete flower. Now that the flower is ready, we will keep this aside and take the other half of the potato. I'll make a leaf with this portion. So I'm giving it a leaf shape and cutting off the excess, and then I'll add some veins to make it more prominent. Here we will use the pieces that we have just cut out from the potato as stamping tools. I'm taking a white chart paper and dividing it into 2-inch sections so as to alternate between the flower and the leaf pattern. Then I'm taking the acrylic paint on a white palette and then dipping the stamp and stamping it on the white chart paper. This is the most fun part of this painting. You can easily improvise the design by just changing the stamping pattern. I'm using a diagonal pattern here, as you can see. I'm using various colors like yellow, red, orange, pink, blue to make the painting very vibrant and colorful. Also, if some parts are left blank while using the stamp, I'm just touching it up using a brush. Now when the floral pattern is complete, I'm going to move on to the leaf stamp, for which I've mixed different colors of green and yellow and then stamping it using the leaf stamp. As you can see, I'm placing the leaf stamp in between 2 flower rows. I have shown the vegetable printing process by using a flower and a leaf stamp, but now you can cut out any kind of stamp that you want out of the potato and use it. This will change the whole pattern and you can make new designs every time. So this is the final design that I came up with, and now I'll show you a way in which I used it to decorate my room. For that, I have cut the chart paper into 2 equal halves and I have stuck double tapes on all the sides of the chart paper. I did not intend to stick it permanently, so to make it temporary I used double tape so that it's very easy to put on or to take off. And then simply I just stuck it on my bookshelf to give it a whole new look, and my bookshelf was all white and plain all this while, and now after sticking it on, it's all colorful and very pretty. So now that you have watched this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and also comment down below if you plan to do this at your home, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care.